Ever felt like your sales emails are racing in Mario Kart, but always finishing last? Let's boost that CTR with AI. Step 1. Spy like Sherlock. Clay to pull LinkedIn bios, job titles, posts. It's like Sherlock Holmes, but for leads. Step 2. Write like Shakespeare, but convert like Trump. Line AI generates ultra-personal email openers so good your prospects will feel seen. Step 3. Emojis. Lavender AI to rewrite subject lines and body tone for more click. Step 4. Build your email hub. Host your sales microsite or lead magnet with Moksy, fast, free, and makes you look like Tony Stark had a design baby. Step 5. Auto-send like Spider-Man. Instantly AI to auto-send your emails when they're most likely to open it. No one likes generic emails. With AI, yours feel personal even if sent while you nap. Subscribe for more.